Have you ever wondered why some people make wearing heels look so effortless, while others struggle? Well, I've got the answers you've been looking for. I'll reveal the secret tips on how to become comfortable with heels. And get ready, because I'm going to share 15 side effects of wearing improperly fitted heels. Let's begin. Start with a lower heel height and gradually work your way up as you become more accustomed to wearing them. Invest in well-fitting shoes that provide proper support and don't pinch or squeeze your feet. Opt for heels with thicker or platform soles for added stability. Pay attention to the material of the heels. Soft and flexible materials can be more comfortable than rigid ones. Avoid wearing heels when you know you'll be doing a lot of walking or strenuous activities. Invest in high-quality shoes that offer good support and are designed for comfort. Remember that confidence plays a big role in how comfortable you feel in heels. Here are 15 side effects of wearing improperly fitted heels. Foot pain. Wearing heels that don't fit properly can cause foot pain and discomfort. Blister formation. Friction from ill-fitting heels can lead to painful blisters on your feet. Calluses. Regularly wearing uncomfortable heels can contribute to the development of calluses on your feet. Bunions. Ill-fitting heels can contribute to the formation of bunions, which are painful bony bumps that develop at the base of the big toe. Corns. Prolonged wear of improperly fitting heels can cause corns, which are hardened areas of skin typically found on or between the toes. Ingrown toenails. Pressure from tight or narrow heels can lead to ingrown toenails, causing pain and potential infection. Back pain. Misaligned posture resulting from wearing uncomfortable heels can contribute to back pain. Ankle instability. Wearing heels that lack proper support or are too high can increase the risk of ankle sprains or instability. Reduced balance. Improperly fitting heels can make it more challenging to maintain your balance, increasing the risk of falls. Leg fatigue. Wearing uncomfortable heels can cause leg fatigue due to the extra strain on your muscles. Reduced mobility. Ill-fitting heels can restrict your range of motion and make it harder to move comfortably. Decreased confidence. Discomfort from wearing the wrong heels can impact your confidence and overall enjoyment of an event or occasion. Limited walking distance. Uncomfortable heels may limit the distance you can comfortably walk, potentially hindering your activities. Shoe damage. Wearing heels that don't fit properly can cause wear and tear on the heels, leading to premature damage. Wasted investment. Investing in heels that don't fit well means you may not get the expected use or enjoyment out of your purchase. It's important to prioritize comfort when looking for heels. Congratulations! You've just learned the secrets of how to be comfortable in heels, and what to consider when purchasing the perfect pair. Please be aware that I have a video guiding beginners on how to choose the perfect pair of heels. I will leave the link in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you'll be the first to know when I upload more fabulous tips on heels. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. How was your first experience with heels? Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Keep strutting confidently in those heels.